They did a movie with it here a while back. Some movie outfit wanted to do a movie of it on Snake Alley in that town. And the actor came along and said, before you ride this down Snake Alley, I want to see you ride a flat. Took it down there and then he gets on the back. They ain't running it down the hill without anything. So I would ride it down the hill with the sound. And he'd ride it down the Sandy Park. Time over we had it this way.
Assume this runs.
Supposedly you had to ride it. Oh yeah, there's no problem. If you rode one.
It might run, but I'm not getting on it.
What are you talking about?